Ever wondered how you can let your customers or contacts know your opening hours right from your Telegram profile? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add your business's hours, whether you're using the premium Telegram business tools or you're on the free version and need to get creative. Let's jump in and make your profile even more helpful. First up, if you have Telegram Business, which is a premium feature, you'll want to unlock those advanced options. To do that, go ahead and subscribe to Telegram Premium. I know it's an extra step and a bit of an investment, but think of it as unlocking the Pro Toolkit for your business. Once you're subscribed, you'll have access to features like business hours that show up more prominently, and it really makes your profile look polished and official. Now it's time to set up your business account. You can do this in two ways. Either register a new Telegram account using your business phone number, or simply convert your existing account into a business one. Using a business phone number is ideal, as it keeps your work and personal messages separate and just feels more professional. Imagine handing out a business card with your work number on it, not your personal cell. With your business account ready, the next step is to edit your profile. So open Telegram, go to your profile, and then look for the Settings menu. Inside Settings, there's an option called Edit Profile. Tap into that. Telegram Business makes it really straightforward here. You'll notice dedicated fields asking for your business's operating hours and physical location. It's pretty much fill in the blank, which greatly reduces the chance for error. Go ahead and input your opening hours like Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and then drop in your address on the map if that's relevant. This is fantastic if you want to be found easily or if you get walk-in customers. Remember, in the Telegram Business account, your opening hours will appear automatically as a special section right underneath your name in your profile. No hunting or scrolling around, the info is clear, and anyone visiting your profile sees it instantly. That might seem like a small detail, but in the real world, this saves your clients time and reduces those repetitive "Are you open today?" messages. But what if you aren't using Telegram Premium? Don't worry, there's still a simple workaround that works for individual and free accounts. Let's go through those steps. Start by opening Telegram and tapping the three little lines in the top corner, often called the hamburger menu. Head into your settings and then tap either your profile picture or the edit button, whatever gets you to your profile editing options fastest. Then look for the bio section. This is where you can type the information people see about you on your profile. Here, just manually enter your opening hours. For example, you could write, Monfry 95 Sat 10-2 Sun closed. Feel free to format it however you like and maybe add an emoji for a bit of personality. The only trick here is that your hours are presented in the bio, which means visitors need to read your description fully to find them. It's not as automated or visually distinct as with Premium, but it does the job. And it shows you've made an effort to be clear and communicative, which goes a long way. To wrap up, the main difference you'll notice is that Premium Business lets your hours display almost like a banner, while in the free version, you rely on people reading your bio. Either way, you're making it easier for people to connect with you at the right times, and that's what really matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions about setting up your Telegram profile or want to share how you use Telegram for business, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more simple, step-by-step tech guides, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.